Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use AI to generate business ideas, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying a specific industry or niche that interests you. Research trends within that industry using online tools and resources. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or other ideation platforms to generate suggestions. Simply input your chosen industry and ask for innovative business ideas. Review the generated ideas carefully and note the ones that resonate with you. Evaluate the feasibility of each idea by considering market demand. Consider target demographics and their specific needs related to your ideas. Look into the competition for each potential business idea. Assess what unique value your idea could offer compared to existing solutions. Next, select a few of your favorite ideas for further exploration. Use AI again to analyze potential revenue streams for these ideas. Ask the AI for detailed business models associated with your selected concepts. For each idea, create a basic outline of steps to launch your business. Consider potential challenges and ask the AI for tips on overcoming them. Create a list of resources required for implementation, such as tech tools or human resources. Finally, draft an action plan based on all your research and insights. Continuously refine your ideas using AI for ongoing inspiration and feedback. Stay updated with industry shifts to keep your ideas relevant and innovative. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.